Hello, welcome to here Barry, Wales of Glamorgan. So today we're talking about the weather for the week ahead. And as you can see in the background, it is snowing indeed, and obviously that is amazing for us snowing fans, because today we are going to be talking about the snow. We are going to be discussing anything and everything to do with the snow. So without further ado, here we go. So as we are in Monday, no we're not, we are in Tuesday of course, and yesterday was a quiet day, the calmest day of the week. But as soon as all the snow is still falling, and as soon as temperatures drop in South Wales here, then I think it can stick, the snow, and I think that it will stick. So with that said, Tuesday today, it will be -4 in Barry in South Wales, in the Vale of Glamorgan of course. -4, freezing temperatures of course, as the blizzard, the beast from the east of course, arrives here in Wales and in basically the UK. I think that we will get a load of snow on Thursday and Friday. That is basically the time where of course we will get a load of snow. With that said, I think it's time to figure out what the temperatures are. So the temperatures at the moment are as stands. It will become freezing overnight this week. This week the lowest, I believe it will be about -8 up north of Wales. So I think with that said, I think you should wrap up warm, whoever lives up north of Wales. In South Wales it's similar, but it's a bit more, it's still going to be below the average normal. It will be in the minus section, and I think that will be good. Of course it all depends on this beast from the east, the load of snow we're gonna have, and I think it's gonna be amazing to see what happens and how this develops. But for the rest of the UK, in England specifically, they'll still have the snow. Up north of England will have more snow, because they're coming in patches at the moment. But when Thursday and Friday come, there will be a load and loads of, as you say, the main place. So England will get the cold snap. Nearly everywhere in the UK will get this. Will get snow. I think further south it's going to be more snow than Scotland, unless they're surprised. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy it, and I'll see you all next week this time for another The Weather Report. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and of course keep checking out the channel for more content. Thank you. My name is Sammy. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Being on the snow, and no fingers crossed, no rain. And yeah. Also, you can get in touch by leaving your comments below. Send your pictures and videos of the snow as it falls, and I will reply and give you my verdict on it all happening. So thank you for watching. My name is Sammy, and I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.